To download MetaMask on Android, start by opening the Google Play Store on your device. Type MetaMask in the search bar and select the MetaMask app from the search results. Make sure it is the official app by checking the developer name, which should be MetaMask. Next, click the Install button to begin the download process. You may be prompted to review the permissions required by the app, such as access to your device's storage and camera. Review these permissions carefully and click Accept to proceed. Once the download is complete, click the Open button to launch the MetaMask app. You will be presented with a welcome screen that explains the benefits of using MetaMask. Click the Get Started button to begin the setup process. You will be asked to create a new wallet or import an existing one. If you are new to MetaMask, select the Create a Wallet option. You will be required to create a strong password and agree to the terms of service. After setting up your wallet, you will be given a seed phrase, which is a list of words used to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it. Make sure to write down this seed phrase and store it in a safe place. Finally, you will be taken to the MetaMask dashboard, where you can view your account balance, send and receive cryptocurrency, and interact with decentralized applications. To ensure the security of your wallet, make sure to keep your seed phrase safe and never share it with anyone. By following these steps, you can successfully download and set up MetaMask on your Android device. Remember to always prioritize the security of your wallet and follow best practices to protect your cryptocurrency assets.